Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a while, huh? Well, if you read my last community post, or I guess it was a couple weeks ago, I've been taking a short seasonal break from my filming of regular content, and I've been actually working my job here at the North Rim of the Grand Canyon. So I've been working at the Grand Canyon off and on for a couple years now. It's basically how I supported myself before I started YouTube. I have decided to start doing YouTube full time starting July 21st, actually, so it's coming up pretty soon. But I've been finishing up my work here at the Grand Canyon, so I figured I'll shoot a little video for you guys and give you a little taste of what the natural beauty of the canyon here has to offer. So this is the path that goes behind where I live, and it leads right out to the rim. So basically, I could wake up every morning and just walk a few feet, and I have this absolutely incredible view in front of me. I would say this is my favorite thing about working at the Grand Canyon, is just being so close to this awesome view. It's definitely a hot one today, even though we are at such a high elevation. The North Rim is quite a bit higher of an elevation than the South Rim. Most people go to the South Rim because it's a lot easier to access, but the North Rim is a lot more remote, it's a lot quieter, and that's why I love it. And because of the higher elevation, you get all these trees and a little bit cooler temperatures, although in the middle of summer like this, it's pretty much hot everywhere here. So what I'm going to do today is, it's my weekend, so I'm going to take you guys on a dispersed motorcycle camping trip outside of the park into the National Forest to one of my favorite spots. Before we do that, a quick word about today's video sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by this, or rather, all of these. You're looking at the A-Coolie Camper Kit, and what this is basically a Swiss Army knife of useful electronics for campers, hikers, road trippers, and any other enjoyers of the outdoors. The core of the camper kit is the smart controller, and this contains your rechargeable battery as well as a magnetic attachment point to connect one of up to 11 different modules that it ships with. There's even more in the works soon, too. The up and down buttons on the front here allow you to adjust the settings of the module you have attached, and it's actually super quick and easy to change modules on the fly with this quick release magnet system they have. For these middle of the summer adventures and road trips, you can attach this powerful handheld fan, or even hang a ceiling fan above your bed. You have a USB attachment to keep your phone charged with 20-watt power delivery, a 2000 lumen LED flashlight, this cool color temperature adjustable camping lantern, and even a 5-setting adjustable water pump so you can take a shower in nature. A couple of my favorites have been this handy arc lighter and this small vacuum cleaner that I've actually found very handy for getting crumbs and dirt out of hard-to-reach crevices. All in all, I would say this is one of the most unique camping gadgets that I've seen, and I really think it has something for just about everybody. If you want to go ahead and pick one of these guys up for your bag, your car, your home, go ahead and hit up the links down in the description and the pinned comment, learn more about it, and go ahead and pick one up for yourself. I decided to splurge and get myself a pretty decent tent for motorcycle camping. It's going to replace my cheapo Amazon one that I've had forever. I love that this one fits right on the center rack. Man, this is so cool up here. I would make a fire in this fire ring, but unfortunately this time of year there's fire restrictions in the national forest, so I can't be doing that. Hey, look at that. Check out that rainbow over the canyon. That's one thing I like about monsoon season. All right, well, the sun is officially set. I had a nice time watching the sunset over the canyon. It's a really beautiful sight. We did get some storm clouds that came through. There was a little bit of sprinkling here and there. It is monsoon season here in northern Arizona. It never got too bad. I was thinking I might have to put the rain fly on the tent, but the sky seems to have cleared up pretty well, so I don't think I'll have to end up doing that. Anyways, tonight I'm going to be trying the Mountain House Pasta Primavera. I actually haven't had this before. I've had a bunch of these backpacker meals, and I want to eat some before they expire, so I figured tonight's the night to try one. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and cook this up, and we'll see how this tastes. Well, all in all, it's not too bad. I'm actually kind of impressed with the Mountain House brand. Yeah, it has pretty good flavor for something you just add water to. So I'm sitting here right on the edge of the canyon. I can see some lights from, I think it's Highway 89 way in the distance there. Since there's such little light pollution here at the Grand Canyon, I'm definitely going to pull out the night vision and do some stargazing. A lot of people have asked me how I attach the night vision PVS-14 to my camera. Well, this is the tool that I use. It's an adapter ring from a company called Cold Harbor. It basically just has threads on each side, and you thread one side onto the lens and the other side onto the PVS-14. All right, guys. Well, next time I see you, I'm going to be back on the road. I'm really looking forward to diving into some of these secret sites again, and I'm going to be showing you some really cool places. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. If you guys want to get any cool Uncanny Expeditions merchandise, be sure to hit up the link to my merch store. It helps support the channel, and honestly, I got some pretty cool designs up there. Anyways, I'll see you guys back out there. Thanks for watching.